Hey everyone, in this video we are gonna see the generalized view of how a person born in Rohini star will be like. Before entering into the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe it and click the bell button next to it to get the instant notification when we upload a new video. Now let's enter into the topic. Rohini has all its four padas in Rishabha Rasi. Rishabha Rasi is ruled by Shukran, that is Venus. Rohini in turn is ruled by Chandran, that is moon. So Rohini typically is the combination of both Shukran, that is Venus, and Chandran, that is moon. Rohini is the fourth nakshatra of all 27 nakshatras. Rohini is one of the favorite stars of Chandran, that is moon. Most of us will get a remembrance of Krishna when we hear Rohini star. According to Hindu mythology, Krishna was born in Rohini star. Krishna was good to everyone, and moreover, everybody loved Krishna. That's how the people born in Rohini will be like. They love everyone and everybody loves them. By everybody, I'm not meaning literally, it means most of the people loves you. There are few other famous persons who are born in Rohini star. They are Vikramadityan, Tenali Raman, Mahakavi Kalidasan, and some even says that Charlie Chaplin was born in Rohini star. At first, these peoples were termed as idiots, stupids, or even losers. But after a certain time, they got their own reputation, fame, and status in the society. Since Rishabha is second house of Kalapurusha, which indicates a family, so people born in this star will think to have a good food to eat, dress themselves nicely, talk nicely, earn well, have a happy life. They think a lot about their family and does many things to their family. Dream of having a nice bank balance. They want all those things, and indeed they work hard to attain those things and get succeeded in their life. Compared to others, people born in Rohini will give a special importance to their family. According to DNA astrology, Rohini is ruled by Chandran, that is moon, but has karmic registry of Buddhan. So they have both plus and minus in the communication area because Buddhan plays a major role in the communication area. Since the person has a Buddhan karmic registry, that is the karmic registry of Mercury, they at times ends up at the wrong side of a communication. In other terms, they fail because of their communication. If you have your Lagna in Rohini or Chandran in Rohini or Lagna Lord, that is a Lagnadipati in Rohini, the following things will match you. Since this is a generalized view, it may match you of 70 to 80% since the planets placement in your horoscope will influence your entire life. Some of the people born in Rohini would have faced breakage in their studies. The study breakage may have been temporary or permanent. This is because of the karmic effect from your previous births. In your previous births, you would have had a greater knowledge and greater communication skills. But you would have failed to share your knowledge with others with the fear that if I shared my knowledge with a certain person, he or she would attain a greater height than me, which is a selfish act. Because of this, in this birth, you would face a certain break in attaining a knowledge. The break of study may be because of financial reasons or personal health problems or family problems, or you may lack some interest in studying or due to some lower memory power or anything, but this person has to give continuous work to his or her brain. Think of positive things, what we can do next, what we can achieve next. If you think positively, Buddhan will start activating positively in your horoscope. If you have Rohini in your horoscope, your family members, which includes both your father and mother side, that is your entire lineage, will have persons who have weaker nervous system, any problems related to nerves, skin allergy or any skin diseases, mentally disabled person or paralyzed persons. Your family will also have persons who have done a love marriage or intercaste marriage or divorced peoples. Also, you can have a person who was born in a particular family but brought up in another family. Rohini person can reduce their negative karmic effect by sharing your knowledge and communication skills with others. You should lead or guide others. You can support others. You can also reduce your negative karmic effect by choosing desired a field of work or education by doing a dharma and by doing spiritual means. First, let me tell you your desired field of studying and working area. You can do marketing, networking and communications, camera related, photography, dubbing, editing, accounts, auditing, teacher, astrologer, printing area, any online works, registration, and documentation. You can also involve yourself with herbal, Ayurveda, vegetable selling, agriculture, or a grocery shop. You can do a full time or part time jobs in any of the above said fields. Please be careful when signing a document. Read everything carefully before signing the documents. You should also be careful with your documents, ledgers, ID cards, passports, or any other important papers because you may misplace it and you can lose it eventually. So please be careful with it or provide it with some other person who is closer to you, like your spouse or your parents or your siblings, for safekeeping. People born in this star can activate positive vibes by chanting any mantras regularly. You should maintain your punctuality. Please avoid investing in share marketing, gambling, or finance. If you do so, you may face some losses in it. Dharma Parigara or amends can be done by donating something for education. You could provide some notebooks or pens or pencils. Avoid providing erasers as erasers are linked to Rahu. If it's possible, you could take in charge of an entire cost incurred for the education of a particular child. Avoid speaking about yourself to others like I have found something or I have done this thing or I have donated this much amount for this cause or I bought something like a car with a greater amount. So please avoid doing so. These may cause you some negative impact. You could worship Ma Kali and Ma Kali will surely help you. You can provide help to transgender people as their needs and help them accordingly. You could also help a girl child who's under an age of 10 by providing her with some needs like a food or anything whichever she wanted. But the major help which you can do is share your knowledge to others. Because of your help, if they grow in their life, you will attain a greater heights in your life too. Be careful with your documents and friends because those are under the control of Buddhan. Since you have Buddhan karmic effect, please be careful with those things. Avoid your involving yourself with a share marketing also because that is also under the control of a Buddhan. Mostly, the people born in Rohini star will have less friend circle, which is a plus for you too. Rohini people will have a left-handers in their family, which includes their entire lineage. You may face some health issues like skin problems, nervous problems, or immune deficiency problems. To boost all those things, consume foods accordingly. Mostly consume lots and lots of greeneries, as greeneries can provide you with a greater immune health. So consume lots of foods that may provide you with a greater immune system and that can avoid you with the other nervous problems or some other problems that may occur to you. So if you like our video, please click the like button and encourage us. Also, share it with your family and friends. Thank you so much.